Okay, proud to be an American. I'm here to show you that I am riding a Japanese motorcycle. Just wanted to share this fine example of a 2007 Yamaha YZF R1. One standing for 1000 cc's or 1 liter. I bought this from a gentleman about 3 years ago. He really took excellent care of it. I think it's clocking about 9,006 miles. Everything really works really well on the motorcycle. All the turn indicators, brake light, headlights, high beam, horn, just the way it's supposed to. I do have a few videos on my YouTube page, a short video of it running outside with a few revs. I have a track day on it, some footage of that, as well as a comparison, side-by-side comparison with the Ninja ZX10R. The bike is stock exhaust. Probably the only thing that I see that may have been done is a fender delete, but tires have good rubber on them. I take good care of my bikes as far as maintenance, keeping chain lube, sprockets, everything really clean. Probably the only slight damage is it may have brushed up against something in the trailer. Just a couple minor flaws on it. Really enjoy this bike. For a 2007 Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki, Kawasaki, always in the bike race to have the best bike. This bike might not have the most power between the three bikes. I think it comes in at about 158 crank horsepower, whereas the bikes of the time, the Suzuki and the ZX10, were around 165 horsepower. That's not that noticeable on the motorcycle. To me, one of the keys on this bike is its handling is really second to none on these 2007 models. I have a 05 Gixxer 1000 that I've also had it on a track day as well. This bike has a touch more power, but its brakes and suspension don't even compare to the R1 of that era, that year. The bike's been really well taken care of. I ride it back and forth to work sometimes. We go out on a Sunday cruise. It's a very comfortable bike for a sport bike. And the front tires are in good condition. On a track day, when I take the motorcycles to a track day, I'm typically in the novice or intermediate group. I don't have anything to prove, and these motorcycles will really perform at 80%. I don't need to rip down the straightaway at near red line, which is about 14,000. I can take it and shift at 10 or 11,000 and still really enjoy. Still goes 140 miles an hour. Great brakes. Yeah, I'll probably be selling this bike. I have about 5 other sport track bikes that I take, and at some point I'm working on collecting some of the classic motorcycles to cruise on. I got a 89 1100. We got a GS 1100E. Those are some drag bikes. Got a great Suzuki 1150 ES. And when we really get into some older classics, is a LTD 1000. And then over in the corner is the 75 Z1 900. So at some point there's a lot of bikes and you need to make room for some other stuff. Anyway, it's just a great bike. It's treated me so well. I'm so impressed with this R1 that yeah, I just wanted to share this on my YouTube page and hope you like it, and we'll be posting more. Thanks.